Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to be looking at Swagbucks and we're going to be doing a payment proof live on this video. So if you're looking to earn a few extra bucks every month by doing a few tasks, playing games, all that sort of thing, check out this video right to the end. We're going to quickly run through Swagbucks and how it works, and also show you a payment proof live on this video. So without further ado, let's jump across to Swagbucks and find out more about it and how you can earn real PayPal money just by doing a few different tasks. Okay, so here is how you get onto Swagbucks. Go to swagbucks.com and then fill in your details here. It's free to join and you are available in probably most countries, although you're probably going to be better if you're a tier 1 country to get to, because that's going to give you more options to earn. You can also sign up with Google or with Apple as well. So let's dive straight into the back of Swagbucks, show you a little bit about it, and then we'll go and do a payment proof live on this video. Okay, so once you're inside Swagbucks, as you can see, there's loads of different ways to actually earn cash or earn Swagbucks, which you can then turn into cash. So you can play games and puzzles, all that sort of thing, and you can also do surveys. You've got magic rewards, you've got magic receipts, you've got rewards, you've got discover, you've got loads of different ways in here to actually earn cash. So as you can see, if you go to Discover, you've got games, you've got finance, click and earn, sign-ups, tech deals, all that sort of thing. So if you go across to games, and I find that probably the games is the best way to probably earn. As you can see, we've got a Star Trek game here. Another great way is obviously click and earn, and again, these are literally just install. You can earn $100 if you just install this app. And if you get this one, if you install the brain test tricky puzzles app, you get 200 Swagbucks. So loads of different ways that you can earn. 100 Swagbucks equals $1. So this 1500 Swagbucks is going to get you $15, okay, just for playing this game. Now you've got other games here, and as you can see, you've got the Star Trek game here. This is 7,500 Swagbucks and 100 Swagbucks per dollar. This is going to get you $75. Okay, so again, these are quite high amounts that you're going to get just by playing these games. There's other ones here, bingo, 5,500, and there are some smaller ones, $800, but it's still going to get 800 Swagbucks, but that's still going to give you $8. If you're liking this content, make sure you give us a thumbs up. That will help us in the YouTube algorithms and more people to see the actual video. And of course, we will be more than appreciated by you doing that. Now, once you've actually got enough to withdraw, and the withdrawal level for PayPal is $5 normally. So you can come across to rewards, and then you can literally go onto rewards home. And as you can see, this gives you all the featured gift cards and the stuff that's actually on sale. And as you can see here, PayPal is giving you a 50% off. So you can get $10 PayPal for just 1,000 Swagbucks. Now I've got obviously 1,500 Swagbucks up here, so I can redeem that for $15. Okay, so if we go across and we click on redeem Swagbucks, this brings up this thing here, and like I say, we have got a PayPal cash here, so we click on that. Now it says here, get yourself £15 in PayPal e-gift card for free with Swagbucks. PayPal is a great alternative for carrying around cash and other cards. If you want to turn your cash back into cash, this is a chance that you can snag this prize. £15 will be deposited into your PayPal account. So let's go and check out this a little bit more, and come here and we need to claim the gift card. So this brings up your information. It says great choice. Let's verify your order. So you need to verify where it's going to go to, etc. And you press on confirm. Now it says choose how you would like to verify your order, and you've got security questions here. I'm going to put that in there and submit. So that's just been verified, your gift card. Check your email address for delivery instructions. So as we've got here, Swagbucks, your PayPal £15 £50 has been verified. Okay, so your PayPal, your order or for PayPal £15 has been verified and is being processed. Rewards often delivered in 2 to 3 days, but in some cases it may take up to 10. So that's how quick and easy it is to actually verify the process. And then that will be sent straight to my PayPal account, where I can then withdraw that money into my bank account if I wish to. But don't forget, if you refer a friend as well, you can get up to $3 towards your next gift card as well, once they have done their first withdrawal, I think that is. So you can answer surveys as well. So if you came in here every single day, done a survey, maybe played a game, you would very quick and easily get up to the withdrawal amount of $5. So Swagbucks is definitely a site that I would recommend. It's been going since 2012, I think. So it's really trustworthy. They've paid out millions of dollars over the years, and they've got great reviews on places like Trustpilot, etc. if you wanted to check out more. But I definitely would say that Swagbucks is one of the better sites out there for earning PayPal cash. Trust you found this useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button. Make sure you watch these videos next, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you will get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.